Hi guys, isa ba kayo sa mga naghahanap ng power tools na hindi masyadong mahal pero of quality naman? I tried to search over the internet kung ano magandang power tools, specifically hammer drill kasi most of us doing DIY, isang malaking bagay talaga ang magkaroon ng power drills. So, I tried to look for a hammer drill na mura at the same time may quality naman, so I went to Lazada. They have a Makita MT series and I tried to look for a review, kaso bihira, walang gaanong review, walang video reviews, puro reviews lang ng Lazada. And I also went over Google and I found this website. They also have a posting din sa Lazada. It's Gold Apex Tools and Hardware Company. They are based in Quezon City and they also offer cash on delivery. So magandang offering yun kasi may COD. And I just received it. Ito yon. So it's a Makita MT series. If you notice, it's an MT series. Magtataka ka bakit MT. It's actually an off-brand. Original siya, genuine Makita, but it's an off-brand or inexpensive Makita. That's why from the original Makita, which is blue, which cost you 3,500 more or less, yung blue. Ito naman Makita MT series is only 1,550 or 1,550 sa Gold Apex website. Pero if you purchase this online, yung delivery nila is online. Delivery price is 1,610 or 1,610 pesos. And I just received it. Let's try to unbox it. It's model number M0801M. If you can see it, it's made in China. That's the difference between Makita, yung galing Japan, at ito naman, MT series, is galing China. But both of them are genuine Makita. Now, let's try to unbox what's inside. But before that, para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung gaano kalaki yung box, sukatin muna natin. So yung length niya is about 11 inches. Tapos yung width niya is also 11 inches. So ganun kalaki para may idea kayo. And now, let's try to unbox. Simple lang naman, no frills. Walang gaanong laman except for the hammer drill itself. So you have the handle. You also have the manual here, instruction manual, and you also have your warranty card here. And lastly, you have your hammer drill. Ito siya. So ito yung warranty card na kailangan mo ipadala ulit sa ditong address na to. So ito siya, walang masyadong kasama, unlike dun sa mga ibang package na meron pang kasamang drill bit. Ito wala. Ito lang meron, handle niya at saka yung hammer drill itself. So anong meron sa hammer drill na to? It's a 500 watts power hammer drill, which comes with the reverse function here. Meron siyang reverse, tsaka meron siyang hammer option here. So ito yung naka-hammer siya ngayon. If you switch it over here, so normal drilling lang siya. Ito naman pang reverse tsaka forward direction ng ikot ng drill. So may kasama rin siyang chuck key pampahigpit. Let's give it a try. Maganda to for DIY It's a 500 watts hammer drill with maximum capacity niya is 16 mm, and yung no load speed niya is 3,200 RPM. So okay na rin siya. Higpitan lang natin para makita niyo yung performance niya. I'll try to connect this. And ano pa bang kasama dito? It also says 48,000 ang blows per minute niya. Ang net weight is 1.7 kilos. So medyo mabigat pero okay na rin. Malaking tulong din yung bigat niya for concrete drilling. Kesa papagurin mo yung sarili mo sa kakalagay ng pressure, edi yung weight na lang. Antay ko lang muna to. So maganda siya kasi COD, pagdating mo na babayaran, at saka mura, branded pa. Okay, ito na. So currently, i-forward drilling natin. So variable speed pala to, no? So depende sa pihit mo. Ayan. Tapos pag mas madiin, ayan, naka-hammer siya ngayon. So if gusto mo ng normal lang, ito, pihit mo dun sa merong key na to, or ito, icon ng drill bit. Tapos pag gusto mo namang i-hammer, yan. Now for the reverse, yan, reverse. Okay, para may idea din kayo ng measurement niya. Ito siya, more or less 11 inches yung haba, tapos 7 inches yung dito. Yun lamang po. I'll try to do some unboxing on some of the Makita MT series power tools, and if you have questions, you can post it below. Thank you for watching.